Welcome to a very short introduction to the basic features of the Clavis Wiki, hosted by the MGH. To get started, you first want to log in, and the details should have been emailed to you. If not, as always, there's a forgotten your password function here, but let's assume you know your password and your username, so simply log in. The main page, to which you can always return with the navigation sidebar to your left, has very few sites, and the one that is probably most interesting to you and to most of us is the list of collections, which you find here. What you see here is a long list of canonical collections, and you will recognize, if you know Linda Fuller-Magel's Clavis Canonum Handbook, that this is simply the list of individual chapters, each devoted to one of the collections or more of them, as found in the 2005 book. If you click on any of these entries, let's start with Junesiana here, you will find a text. If no one has yet worked on this entry, it is verbatim what Linda wrote in her book in 2005. This is how all entries look like before anyone has worked on this in the context of this wiki. This is the text we start with, but this is also the text you can change, edit, delete, add to as you like. All you have to do is to click edit here, and this might be a bit ugly. It might look a bit ugly because it's not a visual editor as you might be used to from Wikipedia and other such projects. So you simply have the text with some ugly special characters in it, but you can simply write as you go, write whatever you want and delete or mark, highlight, copy, paste, whatever you like. If you simply want to change the text, this is basically all you need to know. You can edit any entry, do to it whatever you like, and at the very end, don't forget to save your changes. Especially if you do major changes, it's always kind to other contributors if you quickly indicate in this summary here what you have done, or simply click this is a minor edit if indeed it is only some orthography you have changed or whatever you regard as a minor change. Apart from simply adding or deleting text in the main text, you can of course play around with the format a bit. If you double click on any text, you can then choose functions such as bold print or italics, and you see that the editor will add for you the respective special characters here. But you can then simply delete these as you like. And if you don't like this way to format your text with bold and italics and everything, simply ignore it, concentrate on the text and change the entries as you see fit. So basically, that is what you really only need if you really want to improve the text as they are. I will cancel here because I did not do any material changes. Simply cancelling goes back to the normal view, so that you're back with the normal entry. You can now decide to edit. You can look at the history just as in any wiki project. But as I said, if you simply want to change the entries, all you need is the main page where you find the list of description of the collections, where you can pick your favorite collection. And once you open an article, you simply go to edit and edit the entry as you see fit. Once you're finished, you want to save changes, and from there on the changes have been saved and are immediately published, and basically that's it.